Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing buffalo pose. So we're going to start crisscross applesauce, but we're going to take our right leg and bring it all the way over. So we're kind of twisted up like a pretzel. Then we're going to take our right arm, stick it behind to our back to meet our left arm. We're going to take a couple deep breaths here. This pose, you're strong like a buffalo, so stay strong. Couple more breaths. Try to reach your hands. One more. Good. We're going to go to the other side. So crisscross applesauce again. And then we're going to bring our left leg all the way over. We're going to reach our left arm back. Try to meet your right arm. Couple breaths here. Stay strong. Last breath. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.